going in here? Beets. What are these?
The rest of my shallots and some companions.
What are these right here?
Those are sugar snap peas.
Day before Easter, and we're trying to get our raised beds planted up. I got a little bit of maintenance to do on some of these. Like that right there needs to be fixed. Saw one over here this morning that was coming apart. Yep. That's gotta be repaired. A few little odds and ends we gotta do on this too. A little bit of maintenance. Put these two in last year, but they really didn't. We didn't have enough compost to top these off. Probably gonna put potatoes right there. Here comes the wind. Of course. It's right here. Looks like.
Chamomile, onions, and radishes in between.
Chamomile.
Yep.
Those two are 8s. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 16s. Another 4, so 8 16 footers and 2 8s. So the greenhouse is back over there, the high tunnel. That's our little homemade greenhouse right there. Big oak, black oak hasn't leafed out yet. A lot of things have though, maybe. But a lot of things are still holding off. Mulberries are holding off, which surprised me a lot. I'm in the garden shed because it's real windy today. Today's Easter. So I'm brewing up some compost tea here. I got nettles, stinging nettles, comfrey, and yarrow in there, and chicken shit. So I'll let this compost for about a week. It should have some pretty potent fertilizer, and of course I'll thin it out. I usually put maybe say a cup in a watering can, and then fill up the rest of the way with water. Like, you know, it's about a gallon, I think. So I had a spool of this high tension wire for a fence that I never built, but that ended up making some pretty good hoops for our caterpillar tunnel, which is really a sort of a to keep the ducks out of the raised beds. So you can see it right there. With those made those wire hoops out of this material I just showed, and that white shade cloth stuff is, we had that on hand.